Managing payroll and benefits in Deel is easier than ever, whether you're an HR professional or a business owner trying to simplify your operations. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it with Deel, focusing on the key features that make payroll management and benefits administration a breeze. Stick with me because I'll also reveal how you can get started with Deel completely free through an exclusive offer, so you can see if it's the right fit for your business. First, let's talk about getting set up. Deel gives you an easy onboarding process where you can input your employees' information in a streamlined interface. You can create contracts in minutes without worrying about legal compliance because Deel automatically ensures everything meets the correct legal standards based on the country your employees are located in. When it comes to managing payroll, Deel allows you to handle payments in over 120 currencies. Once your employees are set up, you can easily schedule payroll on a recurring basis, whether weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. The platform even handles tax calculations and deductions, so you don't need to manually crunch the numbers. One of Deel's standout features is its global payroll capabilities. If you have remote workers in multiple countries, Deel makes it simple to pay them. Even if they're in different time zones or have different payment requirements, the platform automatically adjusts payroll to account for local regulations and currency conversions, ensuring employees are paid accurately, on time, every time. Managing benefits is just as simple. Deel allows you to offer a wide variety of benefits, like health insurance, paid time off, and retirement plans, depending on the country your employees are based in. You can set up these benefits directly in the system, and Deel will automatically administer them. That means you don't have to worry about manually tracking which benefits each employee is eligible for or when they are due. You can also manage compliance with ease. Deel integrates directly with local authorities and insurance providers to ensure your payroll and benefits packages remain compliant with local laws. If any changes occur, Deel updates the system automatically to reflect the latest regulations, making sure your business stays compliant across borders. The best part? Deel gives you a full overview of all your payroll and benefits in one dashboard. This centralized view makes it easy to track expenses, view payment history, and monitor benefits usage, all in real time. To get started with Deel, you don't have to worry about any upfront costs. You can actually try the software for free using the exclusive link in the description below. Plus, by signing up through this link, you'll get access to some incredible bonuses, which can save you a lot of money in the long run. And remember, managing payroll and benefits doesn't have to be complicated. With Deel, everything is streamlined, automated, and simplified, making it the perfect tool for modern businesses that need to manage global teams with ease. Don't miss out on the free trial. Sign up today and see how Deel can transform your payroll and benefits management. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out the link below to get your exclusive extended free trial.